समाज एकत्रित हाडपाक आपूण कितें करता हाचेर दर एकल्यान विचार करपाक जाय. समाजाच्या एकवटा खातीर चर्चीचो सरकाराक सदांकाळ सहकार्य आसतलें म्हण आर्च बिशप फिलीप नेरी फेरांव हाणें संदेश दिला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
It is with great pleasure and genuine delight that I welcome you all to this evening of friendship here at Archbishop's house. In this festive season of Christmas, a season that calls for the sharing of goodwill, of friendship, of mutual concern, of peace. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation. Christmas, as is known to everybody, is a celebration of joy, peace, and harmony. The glad tidings of the birth of Jesus Christ bring a new kind of energy to humanity and an enthusiasm for peace, which often causes countries engaged in long-standing wars to call for a truce during the celebration of Christmas. We all stand in need of this kind of peace, which money cannot buy. It is a peace that every human heart longs for. It brings healing to families, communities, and nations fraught with discord. It is Christmas peace, the peace that the angels announced to the shepherds on the night of the birth of Jesus. It is not the peace that the world gives, it is God's peace. For this reason, Christmas becomes, in a very real way, a celebration to welcome the entire humanity into God's family.